Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool which looks similar to this one and comes provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, string on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. Now you'll find two different cutouts right here, or two different holes. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here, as this right here, well, these are speakers and this is a microphone. Now nothing will happen if you actually poke it, but still, it won't do what you need it to do anyway, so make sure you utilize the one that is at the corner. Now using your little tool, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for two SIM cards, so you can place one on either side. Now you can use one SIM card, obviously you don't need to use both trays, and if you're planning to use just one, place it either top or bottom, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure that the card is laying completely flush on the tray, as you can see, shouldn't be protruding, and if you flip it over, it should be staying in the tray. Now once you insert the card back into your device, and it will automatically be detected by your device and should prompt you, if you have your SIM card pin, it will prompt you to basically insert it. So I'm gonna do that, and that obviously unlocks my SIM card. If you don't have any kind of pin on it, it will just automatically go to working. And that's it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.